Okay, I guess I'll give you a little lesson. A lesson on how to rip out a plaster wall like this. All you need is a crowbar. And before you start, you might want to put a couple of 5-gallon buckets right under the wall to catch as much plaster as you can. Because this thing breaks into dust, and if you try to use a vacuum cleaner on it, it'll break the vacuum. I found that out. So, yeah, you want to catch as much of it as you can while it's falling. Alright, now just put on your gloves to protect your hands from all the nails and the little boards. And grab your crowbar. And there's not much to it. And you try to get it in the buckets.